na ye bon komo being a dancer and staying in Kumasi and also living in Kumasi. It's saying. Aye.
Answer Nebejo Atumo Kumasi is not easy.
It's not easy.
So it has been stressful, but as I was able to make it to the top, na fe obi aji atum say now they should support it.
At a point. At a point. At a point, that person will give it up, because I saw you coming.
Yeah.
Me who said the journey in a year, it wasn't. Oh, Kumasi now person yeah anything entertainment and yeah easy.
Sure.
But so before Friday, but they love it, they appreciate it. But they don't support it. Yeah. What I say, into at times you want to give up. Who feel this happy along the way now?
I would say sometimes, I was depressed because also I had to say oh na on my phone in a job I could do BH. Into at least we feel say I don't never been cool na. I know and so many. Yeah, because I got to a point in time I feel like okay, and remember just me Kumasi be me because I said what builded this brand. Now they are the same people on so much so now sometimes now I may feel depressed. But I say I'm back to normal mood.
Me kai say now academy cry now try asani and also saying.
Yeah, I'm still doing it. I hold about 45 people. I'm training you more right now. Yeah, it's your location or Onua front. Your honor is a dance studio in one thing. You meet every Saturday be at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Oh yeah, sure.
A batches now.
Yeah, chichim for a numerous section here for government workers near there. Don't so be on your time daytime.
Government workers to say why more.
Government workers Adwuma for
between the ages of saying anything.
Some of them penny for
from
yeah.
Asaben.
Udi any be. Udi any be.
Come in any be an episode saying.
It's also aside more like exercise.
Yeah, exercise.
See, I know managing, but we don't go on the regular way, you know. In a different
way. Move to answer so moko party or moko sana so moko to answer their sorry. Me person me tia kakra.
Big men they are for clubs near there didn't you know. And share that and be so energy kizomba on near there.
Into mu check kizomba.
Yeah, try all kind of dance.
Honom. Yeah, and kizomba and maintain once him.
Oh yeah. I have a tutor for that.
For that?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, this is impressive. And the next time be a member Kumatibiano.
I'm sure
Kizomba no mudi shoe by Nessa. Oh, Kizomba dear, and I say in an yard. Oh, energy. And sugar on what is as a particular. I
don't know much about it.
But I'm sure no more shoe now. No more shoe now. Academy now what say you know. Where number saying because me can say back then now war and confirm your mosa.
Yeah.
And a group no meaning they see and we are then group in a good and the first group.
I won't say a good
okay.
But it's a contract. Into go on a contract in this one so on sign be or no person could develop in a day no way.
No person kosa.
Yeah, sure. Near you release your monomoko. Be so and feel quite pass so go on why he just stand up till obese me over management and the person will just go.
Obese you and we are no manager.
Yeah, say your own is so are good in no person.
No, dear.
And I say, I'm a young client, you know, I am persuaded on the rules and regulations. We just
let them go.
Yeah, sure.
But say, won't come from almost and why no free chair with Japan? Because I know some of them were dear to you. Any paid the Eddie Ebimo, Yakoma, Ebimo, just a bimo, you do your home, you need to home, but Ebimo do chain bimo.
Oh yeah.
Why no free in China won't expect it to be free in change account pa?
Now person account was but at least you may share family member. You need to share it. I think say Allo
Maadjoa ne show. Because
I say about unexpected, no me expect to
say basis. Allo Maadjoa about talented case me
wa. Oh yeah.
No more you too.
No me too. Yeah. About Allo
FM 95.1.
Unim no where about. Allo Maadjoa every of you in China year. Say who na you feel about say it's a product from your camp.
Oh yeah.
And If you don't want to talk about it, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, so become as a you bet me I can come over for
me that him going far there, I appreciate it, but he trying to be ungrateful.
a hawk a crown how
because you are still using the name. You are not part of the team, but you are still using the name. And so say
okay, I'll be one on cow open and con you if he's not working with you anymore.
yeah,
Alono
team are contacting me several times, but why not just want
to get rid of the Alono, no use on any din than you know.
The good time on better
On better monka. There is own German in Kai, sir.
Oh, for me, my release, but with the
releasing.
name, no say on brand no. All the brand new bush will just go bottom, but you're not part of the brand.
Onua FM 95.1.
Okay.
Because recently I saw an artwork going viral. He had a show at Techimenti or something. Never so Allo dances near Allo Dani, but I wasn't even aware.
Okay.
That is the only thing. Me, I'm cool with him, but say Obi Jaidini using him, I pray for.
Okay, but I know yet somewhere night, Mukasani adie. Do you
when
talk?
we see each other, we just holler them.
But I'm on from home phone to be able to say first.
I don't even have his number.
You don't have his number. Mo people na.
Oh, David. Oh, sorry, I can't do that.
You can do that because me kai pa about a letter case no I think no or JHS ana.
Yeah.
No JHS.
No.
Primary. No primary or JHS. Until all of a sudden or some person obey you maybe.
Not that, but I was there. He packed the stuffs. I wasn't around. And my mom called me said, "Danny, I'm in a bus for say Omoko." It's okay if you.
Onua FM 95.1.
He said, "Me nyene she." So later I found out there was a man behind it.
Oh, okay.
And on the before Omoko so manage you.
Oh, okay.
But it wasn't on the right way. Once I just say, "Binum management team, binum ya about time." What I say, no more drink ya cola no.
Yeah.
So.
But it's when you're kiddie.
Oh, of course, and I'm proud of him.
Yes. Yes. Maybe I'll
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
Sure.
video not the name chain. Easy. Na no video not the name chain ya dear na ka ho. And now there's this guy on your team who is also very active. Need him in time kind of
Freedom.
Freedom, why a slim guy no?
Yeah, God bless him because he has been serving me for more than 10 years.
Freedom.
Yeah. God bless him. And I have something for him, but I will do something bigger for him.
Sir, what an name because he's new in the academy.
No.
Sir.
No.
Tell my best you got this situation and any freedom never.
No. I never me back.
Freedom.
I swear. We do my church. God bless him wherever he is right now.
Oh, amen. Amen.
And right now, if I'm not there, I want to take you over the team.
No, sure, Mosso.
Yeah, sure. God bless him.
Mutim no one say a man nim ne boamo. A man no can say man.
Oh, that be yes, sir.
Na say
a man can.
Oh, but a man most side none dinner man in no so.
Yeah, what a man mostly be a Jumani and
okay, me man don't really get. Man won't pebre and I won't pay.
Oh, yes, sir, boss.
Na say
a man on time now, I will find any more change.
And correct. A man who meti.
Yeah, sure.
A chain mema.
Sure.
And
now we are going some problem until we are very careful on that.
Onua FM 95.1.
Baby, I'm out on so na konkonsa kakra ho.
So how
A chan ko se brana tade mu bon, branding pabo mu bon, ya na de sa ne mani nyina ba. Enchina mo de to kwa gina mu. Maadjoa kanya dance anka wo be den. Aside dancing, what do you want to do? And I said why then anka wo pesa wo ye.
Okay. Me, I feel like I'm more like a talent manager because apart from doing dancing, I start for to do music. Yeah, so I put people on board. Like a bomb in terms of music and your branding call for even so products grown up as also yeah, we have the idea.
Okay.
See, I do a whole lot of stuff.
A whole lot of stuff. Yeah. Okay. Let's say sano skawum.
Oh, it's paying.
It's paying.
Yeah, sure.
A chain first, no.
Oh yeah. Sure, very well.
Onua FM 95.1.
Let's say munyaska from dance and I say munya gigs and it's paying, which is
we get revenue from all the channels from the angles in terms of music promos, weddings. Like sometimes we train the bride and grooms.
Oh wow!
So there's a whole lot that we get, and we do advert for people to foods and restaurants and a lot. Most of the products out there too. yeah, advert.
So product man. If you don't mind.
Yeah, I was working for Pizza Man. And,
Okay. Yeah,
sure.
Mekai Pizza Man for advert.
Yeah, sure.
Only
You were part of
Pearl.
the family.
I was yes. On a Pearl.
Sure.
Beauty pageant.
Yeah, sure.
Beauty pageant then say beauty contestant. Any now called competition.
Yeah, sure.
Nini na ye no
Onua
amwa.
FM 95.1.
Nini na ye no. Do you see yourself moving to Accra?
Question way. For now, no.
Why?
I think I'm comfortable at where I am right now, and there's no need for me to move to Accra right now. Maybe in the future there are, and it all depends on the management team. If they say we are moving to Accra, we need to.
But bibi am pressure say Accra for no ya de. Unya sa competition obi ka say, hey, forgive me if I don't use the right words. So because say Maadjoa sha said da. Maadjoa sha said da. DWP for buy and they are all over the place. Maadjoa by da. He can't even on to me kind of phone in jina. What I say?
Sure.
Do you feel pressured sorting your mabisa?
No, because I think
Onua FM 95.1.
years back I was doing the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know where we're from. When in Yadia, you stop what you're doing.
Okay.
Because some of the I want sorry for my word now I'm using. Some of the Kumasi people, they will leave you and come and support other people. So the same person saying this is part of the Kumasi people.
Okay.
Like I'm cool. And my time, my kids, Obi Media Lucy, I was all over the place. So I'm forever grateful. And they are still making waves out there. So yeah, cool.
You're cool. I be am pressure cry say, oh, if we on buy to see I cry if you don't more anything, see.
Oh, David. Because I'm still doing what I'm doing.
You are still creating your
The
dances.
only thing people don't understand I have in is people would text you, yo, I don't know, follow near.
Onua
But you
FM
can't tell that you don't to do
95.1.
gospel.
No.
I'm still doing it. But they should understand that say Obia or the style of career no like me or me oba me feel that the dance I do, I dance with the lyrics of the song.
Yes.
So I don't really do Afro giddy. That's my feel. That's my aim and purpose. Yeah. So they also have their own, so you shouldn't compare me to them. Yeah.
Sure, Onua, you've come very far.
Oh yeah.
Because Kumasi dancers no. Na wo asahene.
Yeah.
And juvenile.
Left eye, like a whole lot.
Yes.
As an exhibit.
Exhibit in idea. But to see I know as omo jayasa ana omo be mu buye.
You know, Obia on a target and Obia on your person onyen your any could do. So I think and some of them
Onua
are
FM
than the
95.1.
parents near that, so they don't get time to
Okay.
focus
Adulthood
on
ni
it.
ade.
Yeah, sure.
Responsibilities not the same.
Yeah.
Obey ko school no kujina kwan mu sadie senior my school fees no ntwa na. Obey ko awade na dada jina o sai dada. Esa ka o be sere. Papa me come you ko ho.
Yeah, sure.
O wa obejai sa.
For me, I won't, but I will stay back and
Teach your
be
kids.
grooming the kids.
Be grooming the
Yeah,
kids.
sure. Until the mama starts academy in a quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the time will come, mean to me now or then
Untunya hodeni
I'll still
bi.
be branding them. Sure.
Into wo feel say omo a panyimfo na omo sua asa no. I can't mention their names.
Okay.
Omo ye grooming ni yi and I say they were selfish if I'm not being
Onua FM
offensive.
95.1.
I think say sometimes on say you di any money set a good platform.
Yeah.
Why would you chain ombre?
Easy mouth.
Yeah, I think Oma way back Kumasi, Oma almost started a career and I said be the agro and they felt like I deal with me be keke. And I don't blame them. That time not social media and your comments.
Debbie.
I don't blame them. It's, there was things they were supposed to do, but I think say na sikasania hodini so they couldn't set it up. Because they are supposed to be enjoying right now from this career. Because I'm gonna pay you way my
But I'm the money go from.
yeah, sure. But I'm still talking to my team. Say, Dachi, we will appreciate them with something. Because I'm gonna try my attention about Kumasi. Yeah, sure.
Yame Adwuma.
Sure.
When say Kumasi for no, to pay for
Onua FM
gigs,
95.1.
and I say, when say any worth paying for. What I say?
Yeah, I understand. I remember, sir, recently, my team received a call from one guy, and he wanted us to promote his song from Kumasi. But what he said wasn't nice. Like, oh, Charlie, now we minimum one we kakra we now Jimmy. So if you feel like we kakra there, you should have done it by yourself.
Yes.
You should respect every work because meeting feel free.
Meeting feel free.
Baby.
Also, meeting you must swasi before I
Yes.
start dancing.
Yes. And at least metal costume.
Metal costume.
I think say the Intia they don't understand the work. I'm someone they take it like I said there no. But if I'm to tell you what I go through before I post something out, you'll be shocked.
Onua FM
When I enter studio,
95.1.
it will take me like 30 minutes to create one choreography. Because I should see said Niami Posty. You remember so I was doing a dance challenge for Strongman.
Make I
Sing
remember.
your name. You
Yes.
saw how the thing went viral.
Yes, it
It's
did.
me and a man in here will be enjoying it.
We'll be enjoying it.
That is it. So
And
don't take it
I
as-
to create a dance challenge, Sano. Only the back you'd have
Yes.
to because when once you can paluta the
Yeah, sure.
you'd have to
Sure.
create, keep
Sure.
posting, keep creating,
Sure.
keep posting before I become for trim.
Even the artist who is paying you, who send him more than 4 good choreographies.
Emano.
And some of them choose this say, Kofa we be she we.
Yes.
You wave coca we on it. So
Yes.
it's a whole lot of
Dancing is calculation,
I
but
swear.
microphone hunesa.
Yes.
Microphone hunesa.
For me, I see it to be a difficult talent. It's hardly to put yourself out there, but when Kofu is
Onua FM
because right now
95.1.
OBS
Obiesa.
TikTok so I'm dance are very easy, and Obia feel it say TikTok into or a dancer.
Me de me Felicia, me a dancer da. Hey. Mom dear. I'm a dancer.
Oh sure, from the 90s.
Yeah.
Sure. Until they feel like a BB.
It's easy. It's easy. You know why you say no you
So
say
it's time or who say easy when there is a show
when there is
to
a
perform. And on ultimate TikTok dancing,
show. There
you need to create something different.
also creativity na set in.
Sure.
Ni hu say ade a obeji hu ska no.
Sure.
Obeye bibi a e wanwa.
Sure. And I'm somebody I don't normally use a dance challenge name in my social media to perform. I always want to create something new. Send any pan big because next time here where the mess about
Onua
Wow.
FM 95.1.
It's different.
Sure.
It's different. To say VJ may ever so.
Yeah.
VJ may so by artist number performing and be per dancers when you
Sure.
be approach you.
That one day me was I just my management team let me know about like 2 years ago we performed for Kwame Eugene on the BGM.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
2 years
sure.
ago.
Yeah, sure.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That is nice.
Yeah. So I'm expecting to say
Kumasi, come you do kind new or one kind. Kumasi for
I
no.
respect him so much.
I didn't hear.
He cherished my work. Anything I do for him, he appreciates it
When Eugene and Kasana, I think say he's very humble.
too much.
One time he
Too
say,
much.
"Menini encounter
Yeah.
guy ne you down to earth."
So,
That you want to make you. That you me shanda, but we said that you
Oh,
class
that.
said obey no once and say in real life no.
Yeah.
Obey more than that.
yeah.
I'm Eugene is down to
Onua
earth.
FM 95.1.
He has been even putting me on like adverts, like or putting me on always.
Oh,
Yeah. And I want to take this platform to thank him so much. On a strong man. if
On a
you
Strong
Keystone,
Man.
They have been doing the most for me.
okay.
I remember when I was down a little bit, they talked to me, they advised me like I shouldn't give up.
Don't give up. Don't
So,
give up.
I mean, sure, they also made me came back
Amen.
again.
Amen. Do you feel said dancers say the musi sana say ya and you be a dancer cinema and you so I said in Jinano. She say you carry music. Oh.
Yes.
The musicians are doing their part, but mumu dancers, you know,
They're also doing
yes, you play like if not 50-40%
it. Sure.
of the nyomno.
Sure.
Do you feel someone here award scheme be I was say appreciate him more, reward them for what you're doing?
Yeah, because right now I feel like there is no industry for dancers.
Onua
Some
FM
of our
95.1.
leaders, sorry to say, a big catch at our house more. And we've been telling them so they should help us insert maybe some dance, maybe best choreographer of the
Yeah,
year.
yes.
Because ocean music videos, right? Yeah, sometimes me to Kumasi,
Yeah.
some artists can send me a song. Ebia, want me afford me TNT, be a flight near the idea. Me try video, no. No, my send them, no, they are other dancers, then they will learn it and shoot it in the music video. Because of sometimes I understand them, because
Obi da.
oh yes, several times.
Wobɛbɔ ne deɛ na sɛ
Oh, David,
ɔmpɛ ma so
David,
mpɛ
David,
ma
David,
so
David,
ɛne
David,
ɛpɔn a
David.
metie kyina ba bɛbɔ ɛtiefo mɛtie no kululu kyina ba bɛbɔ nipa koro din
Yeah.
yama ne fans
Yeah, sure.
saa nkurɔfoɔ fa
Oh,
wo
yeah.
dance moves
Yeah,
na ɔde ama obi asua
my creating, my sending, my dancers, not be shoot your music video.
oh
Due to the distance.
Onua FM
And if you
95.1.
time, so I can't.
time so counting sɛ na mbisa sɛ wobɛ move to Accra because I think the thing is Accra
For real.
Yeah.
No, I won't lie.
yes
I won't lie.
because
Right
Accra
now,
ni
nothing they go on for Kumasi.
no Accra ni ka sɛ bɛyɛ adeɛ ma na obi ɔbɛma wo sika
Yeah.
mekae Kumasi ni bi ma mbɛyɛ advert ma no botumi sɛ ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ wobɛtua light bay
Ah.
wobɛtua water bay wafa akora atea na wobɛtua ntoma ne ntete ka ne wi wafa mame ɔmame half shoe bɛgu hɔ
Oh.
dɛm da kɔmɛhyɛ bɛyɛ show yi bia wo bia mede nkyerɛ kɛseɛ de ma wo Oh.
Yeah.
Let's talk
I
about your
don't-
music onyom ne na ɛbɔ no
Yeah. Yeah, for the music side, big shout outs to OG Rex. He's a friend of mine. Only
Okay.
putting me on the music.
okay
He wanted me to come and say some short thing beat. So at the back of the studio, I had a beat. I started writing, and he was like, "Charlie,
Onua FM
because
95.1.
I didn't we different. Like and I started it, and it's working.
and it's working so you're adding music to the dance
Yeah, I'm doing it.
wow
I'm doing
so far
it. Yeah, my next project will be dropping this month.
Nyame Adwuma
Yeah, sure. And this year too, I'll be releasing the second dance album.
Oh,
As
okay.
usual, I was the first dancer to do dance album. in
ɛwɔ
Ghana.
Kumasi
Yeah, sure.
SG Mall
Yeah,
I
premiered it.
remember
Yeah, sure.
I remember ɛkɔ saying
Oh, it was nice. All the artists from Kumasi came.
obia
through.
bɛ support
Yeah,
yɛ
Yaltog, YP, Osei Felicia, and his strong man and his family. Obia Pulia. Big shout outs to Omo Best support.
Floating Stone
Yeah, sure.
Floating Stone
Sure.
Kumasi is home
Yeah.
Accra is business
It's true.
yes Kumasi deɛ yɛbrɛ wɔ ha ne
It's true.
akɔda wɔ hɔ
Oh, Charlie.
wobɛda saa kɔm deɛ bɛdo no
Oh.
bra
But
But
I
it's-
won't
yɛbɔ mpaeɛ
Onua
ɛbɛgyina
FM 95.1.
ɛbɛgyina because Kumasi talent bebree wɔ hɔ
Too much.
talent wɔ hɔ
If I'm supposed to show you my DMs,
Mm.
under G sound, but me put you more on Charlie.
dancers ana musicians
Musicians.
musicians
Too much.
ɔmo yɛ adeɛ paa
But I pray say we the leaders should try and help them because yes, there's a falling industry in Kumasi.
Pakyɛ ɛhɔ no yɛante ne
men
kɛse ɛhɔ no
Like men can't go Kumasi for any mass, but
Okay.
in Yamboa, we need an industry in Kumasi. Our leaders, something in car, they should support it because there are so many talent or more bread. In terms of so if born in your crowd radios, they are even struggling. It's a slow, Mamboy, and it's more banning.
I don't know why Kumasi is like that but Kumasi again me free Kumasi I was born and bred in Kumasi
Yeah.
I'm proud of
Onua FM
Kumasi
95.1.
but said I walk to even get an interview on radio station oh
I
Kumasi no
swear.
I don't know why
I
when you
swear.
didn't but you won't
The
get
underages, they can't even afford it. I swear.
underages they can't afford radio
No.
interview
No, it be complaining. Oh, Charlie, me who only DJ way free. Meet me, I contacted DJ no, but I feel like honestly, you more DJ no, and talk to him straight. But they should try. It's sure.
na kyerɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ economy na affect sikasɛm kakra na
Oh yeah.
affect
It's a
no
street neighbor, Charlie. I have so many songs. I feel like sometimes me hear dance videos free under G's. I won't lie. My management team, they be a new munya issue. They feel like you. And then on my amount.
yes we sika yes we are living on this money
Yeah.
now
Onua
so what you
FM
check
95.1.
Me who say I was on that same. What you say? I was on the street too. Nenye easy. But it be so kahona. DJs near that didn't feel because why am I more in the later and be blow you feel like you are day top. You need to be very humble. I swear. I know you from Kumasi. Send you out here and I do about how. I'm telling you. There are so many people. Now me post the artworks about shoes. There are so many people, Charlie. The girl has been doing most. Like, it's only I just appreciate it. Later, when you are there, you get the money. I one day was surprised, I saw a video going viral, medical check Giovanni's car. I was like, okay, say.
Why dear man?
Yes. It's me, Eden say, Kumasi DJ and us will be me issue. Because the thing you did for me, one day you bring an artist.
Onua FM 95.1.
But under Jesus, so Gaga need too much. They should be humble. Because Kumasi, we have the big things. Talent in Kumasi, if you, I'm telling you. But there is no support.
There's no support.
That's the way they say. I cry for leaders, never be kind of crab boy. We will really appreciate that.
No more can mumra can mama mbeba.
Oh, why not?
Next Kumasi one now what advocating for Kumasi next anything.
Oh, you can be here and be helping them.
Any giddy so now bound.
Oh, yeah, that one is true.
What is true?
I might to say upcoming phone they feel like the Kumasi phone net stream say
I can't
links.
I can't be.
Yeah, but I don't want that thing to work. You should be doing something from where you are before you come to the next city. Because I was in Kumasi.
And you are still in Kumasi and I still an name a
Sure.
But I don't believe it's all I can't a koye.
Oh yeah. Way forward.
Still a mumui. So
I want to fight for Kumasi.
See now, bro. Say you never move. Kumasi soon.
When you follow great Charlie. It hasn't been easy, but we will.
Okay.
I'm even planning a Kumasi dance cipher very soon.
You're planning what?
A Kumasi dance cipher.
Sound.
To put the upcoming ones, cause
on it.
Easy.
And do you believe that Brandon can?
Oh yes.
Brandon.
That's the whole key.
Brandon. Kumasi phone. Brand. Open so say.
Oh, not that.
Nothing.
Not that. Big shout outs to Asaka.
Oh my goodness. Kwaku flake.
I would say they are even the people are more. Am I right now? Kumasi for music.
Yes. Mama, why is she?
Yes. Into I think Klana who said no. This is the time I will need to do it. Yeah, sure.
What time will be a 1 year okada? Okay, some members can say we want first can amount.
Oh yeah.
Where?
That was when I started. Because that time, now I feel like okay, now you money with them more.
A change
because now me person build brand first. It's we can do it like send the half yeah. Oh, most of the artists we bring me no money and talk about.
E be ni why? Omo da so born your man na say.
Oh, right now money omo pick sir.
Omo pick. Yeah. When say nyame na echi omo ka na. Sa nyame tutu akasa.
I was me dance video and I one artist Eddie Blue Eddie song the Blue Accra.
Your friend is saying.
Oh, I can't
Onua FM 95.1.
He came to my dance studio about Ratri Park Bayard. I saw him and I was like, yo, Charlie Maya number no more project BLC didn't come. Me right now texting me a unyami. That's what he told the person said.
I think same in Nipako.
Mr. Maadjoa.
Mate, me want to channel. Oh, it's never one ha.
So it's not like me can't go nipa anymore. But appreciate the work the person do.
Yes, because I know so the did no.
Yes, I was the person on my video. A release song. It was all over within a day, 24 hours. The song was a hit. I'm telling you, no muncha music video, but my son and my
because only the Benya issue ana.
Oh, not that, but maybe artist be so baby. He will feel like I'll contact you with like say the same.
There be or contact no one try can so yes everyone need
95.1.
Because yeah, but I don't want to say it. My management team can help me.
On the management team. I'm cutting community aka no management team okoko dey am dey kai den. Allo Maadjoa. O girlfriend who send the boy a star Felicia.
But you mini girl.
Muni girl. Ye be pon. Enya he. Oh so modern na benyamane. Me dem more boy.
Not that.
Me dem more boy. Dina me more. But who say me no date. Women who date. Your time was so Allo Maadjoa final words.
Sure. First of all, me den nyame ase say I did my bad this far because on can one came to me. Big shout outs to my team, my boss from KMA, Mr. Charles Tromenyami Shao, Mr. Prince from DVL. Will be supporting my career, and big shout outs to Toy Boy King.
Onua FM
Toy Boy King.
95.1.
Sure. And big shout outs to Felicia.
What
She
you
has
say?
been part of the career.
What you say? What you say? I love Philly in the building.
To the world.
What
To
you
the
say?
world.
Let me share it your phone here. I have phone now. Hi, Onua 95.1. Adwuma Adwuma so ne yemrena aso.
Dream chaser.
Me da sada kese ma me producer na Kwame Jan.
Yeah.
My assistant producer Sapo Yo. Robert and Dieko Facebook. And the GH boy ti appoint obi gina me sani faso baby I ojina dada na. Me me did you kama e bro me friend Felicia say fine girl singing na class prefect. Me wa papa ya wa Maryland, Columbia one na yere Auntie Shelly apia Biblis Cosmetic Shop ayo mo dia me chiamu. Mama me happy Mother's Day in advance. Mama me ankasa me ho so happy birthday in advance. Me admo October ye me birthday. Ya me admo chine be share bi me sent no atiefo ne adofo munyina.
95.1.
Munyina. Bye bye.